welcome to Uncle Jesse Philippines Adventure. Like, share, subscribe, and click the bell, please. Thank you.
Hi guys, me and Sweetie Fats here. We're at the beach and we're just hanging out talking to one another, and I'm gonna walk over here and see if I can conversate with these guys working on this boat and talk to them about maybe building a boat and see what's going on with that. So let me walk over these rocks here and let's walk over and see if we can pester these guys for a minute. Excuse me, fellas. Guys, you speak English?
No, I speak English.
No English?
No.
Your friends speak English? No?
No.
Babe! Come here, babe. I need a translator. And as you can see, guys, they're working on this boat here. And it's a very nice boat. It's a beautiful boat. We're going to talk to them, see what a boat like this will cost. And maybe we can work something out. Of course, I would like something like that one over there with the seats and the tarpaulin top. Would be very nice. Sorry about the shaking, guys. The wind's blowing and it's blowing so hard it's blowing my phone. But as you can see here, this is a pretty boat. Oh, it's very nice, and they're not finished with it yet. It's got some really good graphics on it. I really like that one. But we're here at the beach. Of course, we got the little motor. I haven't named her yet, but I'll be giving her a name shortly. We're going to be doing a video on that here in a week or so. And as you can see, my sweetheart Fats is over there chattering away on her phone. But yeah, it's a beautiful little beach here. Got nice shade trees. Alright guys, hold on a minute and let's see if I can get her attention. Babe! Babe! They don't speak English. Come here. Guys, check this little thing out. He's just pulling it along with a rope.
They will go fishing.
And they're going fishing. That's a small fishing boat. And Sweetie Fats is a little shy. She don't want to talk to the guys over here.
I'm not shy. I don't want. My head's hurt.
Her head's hurting. She's got an attitude, fellas.
I'm trying to bring your other charger because my phone.
She's headstrong. Anyway, she says she knows some other people closer to where we live that build boats. But I like the way these guys are building this boat, and I'm sure they built that one out there. I really like that one. I really like that one. I really do. But I really like the color of this one. Now she's wanting to walk over here. Headstrong woman. Babe, can you at least ask them what they would charge to build us a boat like that?
Pila na ka nang mabayad maghimo ginana? Oh, ina to eh. Oh, ina.
Like that one out there.
Kuan lang sa kuya, og kining wala pa yung makina. Oh, kanang inana lang. 30.
30,000?
Yeah, 30,000 if no, like, what's that called?
Motor?
Motor.
We want the motor.
Og na, sa motor, mga 50 no? Yeah, 50.
50,000?
If they have motor, yeah.
Ah. What about like that one out there?
Yeah, I like that. That's what they say.
Ah. So guys, for this boat, like this one right here, without the motor, is 30,000. But with the motor, is 50,000 pesos. That is 1,000 US dollars. Can you believe that, guys? You can have this boat, and I'm gonna walk down here closer. These two boats you can have for 1,000 US dollars. That is with the motor included, ready to hit the water. Now, this is a passenger boat here, and I'm sure it will sit 10 or 15 people. But and it's got a canopy top, and that's what I want. That's exactly what I want right there. That's exactly what I want right there. That is awesome. For 1,000 US dollars, I can have a Filipino boat. That is so awesome. I want to say some bad words, but I'm not. But that is so cool, guys. So cool that you can get a boat like that. And that is a pretty color. And that'll be the color I'm going with. But you can get a boat like that with the motor for 1,000 US dollars here. Can you believe that? I'm not sure how long that boat is, but that is a beautiful Filipino boat. And these guys, as you can see, they do everything right down to the painting. And they build them right here. Here's another example. Now this is a fishing boat. And there's an old boat over there they've probably got work to do on, and this one over here too. This one over here too looks like it's been dry docked. It don't have outriggers, and neither does that one. But that is so cool right here. 1,000 US dollars, and that's with the motor. Without the motor is $600. You can get the boat without the motor and the tiller and the prop for 600 US dollars. And you can go buy your own motor like that.
Ang kinatalkan ba mo sa Malapas kwa? Uninot mas ang Malapas kwa kay ilang sand niya rito bas pino ba? Diri lahi lang gud medyo may pagkakuan.
What's he saying, babe?
About the sand sons ba?
Okay. What about the boat?
Because
Did
they
he?
live in that island, Kinatarkan.
Oh,
and
they don't
have-
live here? They
No.
just work here on the boats?
Work that.
Ah.
And then, yeah.
And they're the ones that built these boats, right?
Yeah.
Wow. That is awesome.
And I think you need to pay the labor like that.
Right. So the 50,000 covers the
More.
boat, but not the labor, right? Huh? How much is the labor?
I don't know.
Ask-
Something
ask him.
80 all.
80,000 all. That's $1,600 with the labor, and that includes the materials and everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right then.
Unsa na siya kanang paisdaan?
Nasa?
Kana?
Pisa ko, tigi ah. Kupang tourist ba?
Pero gamay ra. Aw, dako man siya na.
Gambot ko. Basta mo, agagmay na siya.
Diba, kung pang tourist na, dapat lingkuranan.
So, amo pa pa niya buhatan?
Ah, para ana?
Oo.
Ah, like for the tourist.
Yeah,
Balik mo, sunod adlaw dire. Ganahan mo, tanaw.
that's exactly what I want,
Balik ninyo,
babe.
buo na siya.
That's exactly what I want. So we can take
Pero kanay
people.
na nang uban no, katong dito ay, amo silingan nga nakuno sila gi palit nga kanang dako sad nga inani baka dako iyang kuan nga. Dautan mo tayo itong makina mo, sige lang sila papinta na, sige lang pinta, bisa gina.
Isgwapo. Isgwapo, magtukot na lang yung pag-go. Brand new kitanan.
Kaysa magpalit ka anang kuan.
Palit kasi kanan.
Mo gani na ilagi palit gani nga manhiman. Gipinta lang na sad bisa kuan na naiguba
Ibawa ng kasko ba? Kasko niya, gunot na.
ilang ang motor ko no guba ana.
Nag-aalay makina doon, no?
Mas maayo maghimog bago kay mas nindot pa pa naman.
Kamu pa makakuan sa inyo sa kayan? Magpag-gym?
What's he say, babe?
It's nice to make new more than you buy the second hand.
Right.
Of course, what something broke and then what if broke, you need to fix again like that.
Yeah, we wanna build a new one. That's why we're asking him what would it cost to build a boat like that.
Diba ang kasagaran baruto ilam sa nakablessing ano? So manawag ra mo sa iyane umana.
So it would be 80,000 pesos altogether, right? With the motor and everything.
May plano siyang bukod.
Sige mo siya extra mo inana.
Ganahan siya patungo siguro. Sorry pa, ilang hating.
Diba naman nindot na ingon sila nindot na kinatarakan ko.
Sorry, may
Madlok lagi ko.
Gana dyan.
Oh,
Yung kuba niyo.
kasi interesado yung ako madlok mo, hindi mo sabaw mo lang.
Yan tayo lang yun.
Yes, maybe I see a boat in my future, guys.
Kuya kay kaswat sa Lego lang mix swimming pool 10 feet na around na. Sa next slide ko. Lubog itaw sila nagbago ko ako classmate kay ko kay bawo mo lang mo review sa kay kus mga dagat. Kanang bitngil oh, nalumos mo kay ko diha.
No?
Oh. Tubruan jud ko lang oy. Koy gamit life jacket ah. Di madaoy.
What about a life jacket, babe?
I'm scared of the sea, you know, going swim.
So you wouldn't get on the boat?
Pero nakatom ko nang malapas ko, pero dako-dako masari noon ta mo gisakyan nga kuan.
Babe, you wouldn't get on the boat?
It's okay if I big like that.
Yeah? Alright guys, we're going to close this out and enjoy our day at the beach. So have a good day, and always be good to one another. Good day. That's the way you do it in the Philippines. Bay. He's high stepping it, ain't it? He is fishing. I don't know how good you can see him because I can't see the camera in this bright light. And there he goes. He got him one.